Hello friends, so this is the video on internal combustion engine. So here I'm sharing with you a link from IIT Kanpur, and you can see this link below in the description. There's a 13 lectures, so you can make clear your the doubts and clear your fundamentals from here. So these all 13 lectures, so you can click simply and it will be open. So these all PDFs, if you want, just you can download it, and this is a very useful information and basics concepts in these all lectures, so you can read them and understand them. And because I'm not explaining you more, because you know very well better, I'm just sharing with you the 5,000 questions, so you can able to open just this link and you can read these all lectures till 13th. Okay. IC engines, internal combustion engine. Question 1. The working cycle in case of 4-stroke engine is completed in a following number of revolution of crankshaft. Option A 1/2, option B 1, option C 2, option D 4, option E 8. Correct answer is C. It's 2 revolutions. Question number 2. In diesel engine, the fuel is ignited by option A spark, option B injected fuel, option C heat resulting from compression air that is supplied for combustion, option D igniter, option E combustion chamber. So correct answer is C, heat resulting from compressing air that is supplied for combustion. Question number 3. Scavenging air in a diesel engine means option A air used for combustion sent under pressure, option B forced air for cooling cylinder, option C burnt air containing products of combustion, option D air used for forcing burnt gases out of engines cylinders during the exhaust period, option E air fuel mixture. So correct answer is D air used for forcing burnt gases out of engines cylinder during the exhaust period. Question number 4. Supercharging is the process of option A supplying the intake of an engine with air at a density greater than the density of the surrounding atmosphere, option B providing forced cooling air. Okay. Option C is injecting excess fuel for raising more load, option D supplying compressed air to remove combustion products fully, option E raising exhaust pressure. Correct answer is A supplying the intake of an engine with air at a density greater than the density of the surrounding atmosphere. Question number 5. Does the supply of scavenging air at a density greater than that of atmosphere mean engine is supercharged? Option A yes, option B no, option C to some extent, Option D, unpredictable. Option E, depends on other factors. Correct answer is a B, no. Question number 6. Ratio of indicated thermal efficiency to the corresponding air standard cycle efficiency is called. Option A, net efficiency. Option B, efficiency ratio. Option C, relative efficiency. Option D, overall efficiency. Option E, cycle efficiency. So correct answer is a C, is a relative efficiency. Question number 7. Compression ratio of IC engine is. Option A, the ratio of volume of air in cylinder before compression stroke and after compression stroke. Option B, volume displaced by piston per stroke and clearance volume in cylinder. Option C, ratio of pressure after compression and before compression. And option D, swept volume upon cylinder volume. And option E is cylinder volume upon swept volume. So correct answer is A. Question number 8. The air standard efficiency of an Otto cycle compared to diesel cycle for the given compression ratio is. Option A, same. Option B, less. Option C, more. Option D, more or less depending on power rating. Option E is unpredictable. Correct answer is C, it will be more. Question number 9. Calorific value of gaseous fuel is expressed in term of. Option A, kilocalorie. Option B, kilocalorie per kg. Option C, kilocalorie per meter square. Option D, kilocalorie per meter cube. Option E, all of the above. Correct answer is D, kilocalorie per meter cube. Question number 10. Indicated power of a 4-stroke engine is equal to. Option A, PLAN. Option B, 2 PLAN. Option C, PLAN divided by 2. Option D, 4 PLAN. And option E, PLAN divided by 4, where P is a mean effective pressure, L is a stroke, A is the area of piston, and N is RPM of engine. So correct answer is C, PLN divided by 2. Question number 11. If the intake air temperature of IC engine increases, its efficiency will. Option A, increases. Option B, decreases. Option C, remains same. Option D, unpredictable. Option E, depend on other factors. Correct answer is a B, it will be decreases. Question number 12. All heat engines utilize. Option A, low heat value of oil. Option B, high heat value of oil. Option C, net calorific value of oil. Option D, calorific value of fuel. Option E, all of the above. Correct answer is A. Question 13. An engine indicator is used to determine the following. Option A, speed. Option B, temperature. Option C is volume of cylinder. Option D, MEP and IHP. MEP means mean effective pressure and IHP means indicator horsepower, and option E is BHP means brake horsepower. So correct answer is D, mean effective pressure and indicated horsepower. Question number 14. Fuel oil consumption generates for IC engine are usually based on option A, low heat value of oil, option B, high heat value of oil, option C, net calorific value of oil, option D, calorific value of fuel, option E, all of the above. So correct answer is a B, high heat value of oil. Question number 15. Air standard Otto cycle efficiency is expressed as option A, 1 minus 1 upon R power gamma minus 1 upon gamma, option B, 1 minus 1 upon R power gamma divided by gamma minus 1, option C, 1 minus 1 upon R power gamma minus 1, option D, 1 minus 1 upon R power gamma plus 1, option E, 1 upon R 1 upon R power 1 upon gamma minus 1. So the correct answer is a C, 1 minus 1 upon R power gamma minus 1. Question number 16. If compression ratio of an engine working on Otto cycle is increased from 5 to 6, its air standard efficiency will increase by option A, 1%, option B, 20%, option C, 16.67%, option D, 8%, option E, 25%. So the correct answer is D, it will be 8%. Question number 17. If the compression ratio of an engine working on Otto cycle is increased from 5 to 7, the percentage increase in efficiency will be option A, 2%, option B, 4%, option C, 8%, option D, 14%, option E, 27%. So correct answer is a D, it will be 14%. Question number 18. In case of gas turbine, the gaseous fuel consumption generates are based on option A, high heat value, option B, low heat value, option C, net calorific value, option D, middle heat value, option E, calorific value. So correct answer is B, it will be low heat value. Question number 19. In a typical medium speed 4-stroke cycle diesel engine, the inlet valve, option A, open at 20° before top dead center and closes at 35° after the bottom dead center, option B, opens at top dead center and closes at bottom dead center, option C, opens at 10° after top dead center and closes at 20° before the bottom dead center, option D, may open or close anywhere, and option E, remain open for 200°. So correct answer is A. Question number 20. The pressure and temperature at the end of compression stroke in a petrol engine are of the order of option A, 4 to 6 kg per centimeter square, and 200 to 250 degrees centigrade. Option B 6 to 12 kilogram per centimeter square and 250 to 350 degrees centigrade. Option C is 12 to 20 kilogram per centimeter square and 350 to 450 degree centigrade. Option D 20 to 30 kilogram per centimeter square and 450 to 500 degree centigrade. Option E 30 to 40 kilogram per centimeter square and 500 to 700 degree centigrade. So correct answer is B. Question number 21. The pressure at the end of compression in the case of diesel engine is of the order of option A 6 kilogram per centimeter square, option B 12 kilogram per centimeter square, option C 20 kilogram per centimeter square, option D 27.5 kilogram per centimeter square, option E 35 kilogram per centimeter square. Correct answer is E is 35 kilogram per centimeter square. Question number 22. The maximum temperature in IC engine cylinder is of the order of option A 500 to 1000 degree centigrade, option B 1000 to 1500 degree centigrade, option C 1500 degree to 2000 degree centigrade, option D 2000 to 2500 degree centigrade, option E 2500 to 3000 degree centigrade. Correct answer is D 2000 to 2500 degree centigrade. Question number 23. The thermal efficiency of a diesel cycle having fixed compression ratio with increases in cutoff ratio will option A is increases, option B is decreases, option C be independent, option D may increase or decrease depending on other factors, and option E is none of the above. So correct answer is B, it will be decreases. Question number 24. Pick up the wrong statement. Option A 2-stroke engine can run in any direction. Option B in 4-stroke engine a power stroke is obtained in 4 strokes. Option C thermal efficiency of a 4-stroke engine is a more due to positive scavenging. Option D petrol engines work on Otto cycle. Option E petrol engine occupy more space than diesel engine for same power output. So the correct answer is E petrol engine occupy more space than diesel engine, same power output. Question number 25. Combustion in compression ignition engine is option A homogeneous, option B heterogeneous, option C both A and B, and option D is laminar, option E is turbulent. So the correct answer is a B, it will be heterogeneous. Question number 26. The fuel in diesel engine is a normally injected surface of maybe there. Okay, option A 5 to 10 kg per centimeter square. Option B 20 to 25 kilogram per centimeter square. Option C 60 to 80 kilogram per centimeter square. Option D 90 to 130 kilogram per centimeter square. Option E 150 to 250 kilogram per centimeter square. Correct answer is D. Question number 27. The specific fuel consumption per bhp brake horsepower hour for diesel engine is approximately option A 0.15 kg, option B 0.2 kg, option C 0.25 kg, option D 0.3 kg, option E 0.35 kg. So correct answer is a B 0.2 kg. Question 28. The temperature of interior surface of cylinder wall in normal operation is not allowed to exceed option A 80 degrees centigrade, option B 120 degrees centigrade, option C 180 degrees centigrade, option D 240 degrees centigrade, option E 320 degrees centigrade. So correct answer is C 180 degrees centigrade. Question number 29. Sensitivity of a governor is specified as option A n max minus n minimum divided by n max plus n minimum. Here n is equal to RPM. Option B n max minus n minimum divided by n max plus n minimum into 200. Option C 200 into n max minus n minimum divided by n max plus n minimum. Option D n max plus n minimum divided by 2 into n max minus n minimum. Option E none of the above. So the correct answer is E, is none of the above. Question number 30. Crankcase explosion in IC engines usually occurs as option A first a mild explosion followed by a big explosion, option B first a big explosion followed by a mild explosion, option C both mild and big explosions occurs simultaneously, option D is never occurs, option E unpredictable. Correct answer is A. Question number 31. Compression loss in IC engines occurs due to option A leaking piston rings, option B use of thick head gasket, option C clogged air inlet slots, option D increases in clearance volume caused by bearing bushing wear, and option E all of the above. So the correct answer is E, is all of the above things happen in the compression loss in IC engines. Okay. Question number 32. The specific fuel consumption per brake horsepower hour for a petrol engine is approximately option A 0.15 kg, option B 0.2 kg, option C 0.25 kg, option D 0.3 kg, option E 0.35 kg. So correct answer is a C 0.25 kg. Question number 33. The air requirement of a petrol engine during starting compared to theoretical air required for complete consumption is option A more, option B less, option C same, option D maybe more or less depending on engine capacity, and option E is unpredictable. So correct answer is a B. It's a less, not a loss. Okay. Question number 34. The inlet value of a 4-stroke cycle IC engine remains open for nearly option A 180 degree, option B 125 degree, option C 235 degree, option D 200 degree, option E 275 degree. So the correct answer is a C. It will be 235 degree. Question number 35. Which of the following is not an internal combustion engine? Option A 2-stroke petrol engine, option B 4-stroke petrol engine, option C diesel engine, option D gas turbine, option E steam turbine. So the correct answer is a E, because steam turbines are not internal combustion engines. Question number 36. Pick up the false statement. Option A. Thermal efficiency of a diesel engine is about 34%. Option B. Theoretically correct mixture of air and petrol is approximately 15:1. Option C. High speed compression engines operate on a dual combustion cycle. Option D. Diesel engines are compression ignition engines. Option E. SI engines are quality governed engines. So the correct answer is E. SI engines are quality governed engines. Pick up the false statement. So that is the false statement. Question number 37. If one cylinder of an diesel engine receives more fuel than others, then for that cylinder the option A exhaust will be smoky, option B piston rings would stick into piston grooves, option C exhaust temperature will be high, option D engine start overheating, option E scavenging occurs. So correct answer is E, scavenging occurs. Question number 38. The output of a diesel engine can be increased without increasing the engine revolution or size in following way. Option A feeding more fuel, option B increasing flywheel size, option C heating incoming air, option D scavenging, option E supercharging. So the correct answer is E. It will be supercharging. Question number 39. It's maybe if the temperature of intake air in IC engines is lowered, then its efficiency will option A increase, option B decreases, option C remain same, option D increases up to a certain limit and then decreases. Option E, decreases up to a certain limit and then increases. So the correct answer is A, it will be increases. Question number 40. In a typical medium speed 4-stroke cycle diesel engine, option A, compression start at 35 degree after bottom dead center and ends at top dead center. Option B, compression start at a bottom dead center and ends at top dead center. Option C, compressions start at 10 degree before bottom dead center and ends just before top dead center. Option D, may start and end anywhere. Option E, none of the above. So correct answer is A. Question number 41. For the same compression ratio, option A, Otto cycle is a more efficient than the diesel. Option B, diesel cycle is a more efficient than Otto. Option C, both Otto and diesel cycles are usually efficient. Option D, compression ratio has nothing to do with efficiency. Option E, which is a more efficient, would depend on engine capacity. So correct answer is A. It's a Otto cycle is a more efficient than the diesel. Sorry. Question number 42. The process of breaking up or a liquid into a fine droplets by spraying is called option A, vaporization, option B, carburation, option C, ionization, option D, injection, and option E, automation. So correct answer is E, automation. Question number 43. As a result of detonation in an IC engine, following parameter attains very high value. Option A, peak pressure. Option B, rate of rise of pressure. Option C, rate of rise of temperature. Option D, peak temperature. Option E, rate of rise of horsepower. Question number, sorry, so the correct answer will be B, because rate of rise of pressure. Question 44. Which of the following statements is correct? Option A, all the reversible engines have same efficiency. Option B, all the reversible engines have the same efficiency. Both lines looks similar. All the okay, it's irreversible. And in the second option, it's asking for reversible engines. And option C is both. Rankine and Carnot cycles have same efficiency between same temperature limits. Option D, all reversible engines working between same temperature limits have same efficiency. Option E, between same temperature limits both petrol and diesel engines have same efficiency. So the correct answer is D. Question number 45. Most high speed compression engines operate on option A, diesel cycle, option B, Otto cycle, option C, dual combustion cycle. Option D, special type of air cycle. Option E, Carnot cycle. So the correct answer is a C, is a dual combustion cycle. Question number 46. In a 4-cylinder, 4-stroke diesel engine operating at 1200 rpm, the duration of fuel injection is the 20 degree. The time in a seconds during which fuel is injected would be. It's asking the time in seconds during which fuel is injected would be. Option A, 1 upon 360 seconds. Option B, 1 upon 720 seconds. Option C, 1 upon 180 seconds. Option D, 1 upon 90 seconds. Option E, 1 upon 1440 seconds. So the correct answer is A, 1 upon 360 seconds. Question number 47. If one cylinder of a diesel engine receives more fuel than the others, it is a serious condition for that cylinder and can be checked by. Option A, checking incomplete combustion in that cylinder. Option B, checking carbon built up around piston rings. Option C, judging piston seizure. Option D, checking cylinder exhaust temperature with a parameter. Option E, checking overheating of engine. So correct answer is a D, checking cylinder exhaust temperature with a parameter. Question number 48. The accumulation of carbon in a cylinder results in increase of. Option A, clearance volume. Option B, volumetric efficiency. Option C, ignition time. Option D, effective compression ratio. Option E, valve travel time. So the correct answer is D, effective compression ratio. Question number 49. Which of the following medium is compressed in a diesel engine cylinder? Option A, air alone. Option B, air and fuel. Option C, air and lubricant oil. Option D, fuel alone. Option E, air, fuel and lubricant oil. So correct answer is A, air alone. Question number 50. Figure below shows the curves of efficiency versus compression ratio for various cycles in IC engines. For constant volume cycle, the curve applicable is. Option A, option B, B, option C, option D, and option E, none of the above. You can see this figure, efficiency and compression ratio, curve A, B, C and D. So the correct answer will be B. So it means this curve will be for constant volume cycle and that curve is applicable. Question 51. Pick up the false statement. Option A. IC engines have higher efficiency than steam engines. Option B. Heavy oil engines run on diesel cycle. Option C. Gas engine work on Otto cycle. Option D. Injection of fuel by external means is not required in mixed cycle. Option E. A two-stroke engine has no valves. So the false statement, it's a D. Injection of fuel by external means is not required in a mixed cycle. That is the wrong statement. Question number 52. For a constant pressure cycle, the curve applicable in the figure above is option A, option B, option C, and option D, and option is none of the above. So the question is for constant pressure cycle. You can see the figure again, and the correct answer will be D. So it means D means that curve. So correct answer is a D. Question number 53. For mixed cycle or limited pressure cycle, the curve applicable in figure above is option A, and option B, and option C, and option D, and option E is none of the above. So the correct answer is a C, and you can see the curve C is this one. This is the curve C. Okay. Question number 54. The air-fuel ratio of the petrol engine is controlled by option A, fuel pump, option B, governor, option C, injector, option D, carburetor, option E is scavenging. So the correct answer is D, carburetor. Question number 55. In a typical medium speed 4-stroke cycle diesel engine, option A, fuel injection starts at 10 degrees before top dead center and ends at 20 degrees after top dead center. Option B, fuel injection starts at a top dead center and ends at a 20 degree after top dead center. Option C, fuel injection start at just before top dead center and ends just after top dead center. Option D, may start and end anywhere. Option E, none of the above. So the correct answer is A, fuel injection start at 10 degree before top dead center and ends at a 20 degree after top dead center. Question number 56. Diesel fuel compared to petrol is option A, less difficult to ignite, option B, just about the same difficult to ignite, and option C is more difficult to ignite, option D, highly ignitable, option E, none of the above. So the correct answer is a C, more difficult to ignite, because diesel is probably more difficult to ignite. Question number 57. In diesel engine, the diesel fuel injected into cylinder would burn instantly at about compressed air temperature of option A, 250 degrees centigrade, option B, 500 degrees centigrade, option C, 1000 degrees centigrade, option D, 1500 degrees centigrade, option E, 2000 degrees centigrade. So the correct answer is a C. It will be 1000 degrees centigrade. Question number 58. When crude oil is heated, then which of the following hydrocarbon is given off first? Option A is kerosene, option B is gasoline, option C is paraffin, option D is diesel, and option E is natural gas. So correct answer is E. It's a natural gas, because when crude oil is heated, so the first outcome will be natural gas. Question number 59. The rating of diesel engine with increase in air inlet temperature will option A increase linearly, option B decrease linearly, option C increase parabolically, option D decrease parabolically, option E first decrease linearly and then increase parabolically. So correct answer is 59 is a B, decrease linearly. Question number 60. A 75cc engine has the following parameters as 75cc. Option A fuel tank capacity, option B lubricant oil capacity, option C swept volume, option D cylinder volume, and option E is clearance volume. So the correct answer is C. It will be swept volume 75 cc centimeter cubic. Question number 61. A heat engine utilize the option A calorific value of oil, option B low heat value of oil, option C high heat value of oil, option D mean heat value of oil, option E all of the above. So correct answer is a C, the high heat value of oil. Question number 62. Gaseous fuel guarantees are based on option A calorific value of oil, option B low heat value of oil, option C high heat value of oil, option D mean heat value of oil, option E all of the above. So correct answer is a B, low heat value of oil. Question number 63. Fuel consumption of diesel engine is not guaranteed at a 1/4 load because at such low loads, option A the friction is high, option B the friction is unpredictable, option C the small difference in a cooling water temperature or in internal friction has a disproportionate effect, option D the engine is rarely operated, option E none of the above. So correct answer is C, the small difference in cooling water temperature or in internal friction has a disproportionate effect. Okay. Question number 64. Polymerization is a chemical process in which molecules of a compound become option A larger, option B slow it down, option C smaller, option D liquid, option E gaseous. So correct answer is A Polymerization, the chemical process in which molecules of compound becomes larger. Question number 65. The term scavenging is generally associated with option A, two-stroke cycle engine, option B, four-stroke cycle engines, option C, aeroplane engines, option D, diesel engines, option E is a high efficiency engines. So correct answer is a E. It's belong to high efficiency engines. Question number 66. In a diesel engine, the compression ratio in comparison to expansion ratio is option A same, option B less, option C more, option D variable, option E more or less depending on engine capacity. So correct answer is C is more. In the diesel engine, compression ratio is a more comparison to expansion ratio. Question number 67. The camshaft of a four-stroke IC engine running at 1500 rpm will run 8. Option A 1500 rpm, option B 750 rpm, option C 3000 rpm, option D any value independent of engine speed, option E none of the above. Correct answer is B, because camshaft of the four-stroke IC engine running on 1500 rpm will run at 750 rpm. Question number 68. Engine pistons are usually made of aluminum alloy because it, option A, is lighter, option B, wear less, option C, absorbs shocks, and option D is stronger, option E, does not react with a fuel and lubricant oil. So correct answer is A, because it's lighter. Question number 69. Most high-speed compression engines operate on option A Otto cycle, option B diesel cycle, option C dual cycle, option D is a Carnot cycle, option E is two-stroke cycles. Correct answer is C is a dual cycle. Sorry, it's a question number. Okay, yes, that is the correct answer because it's a dual cycle. Question number 70. The specific fuel consumption of a petrol engine compared to diesel engine of same horsepower is option A same, option B more, option C less, option D less or more depending on operating condition, option E unpredictable. Correct answer is a B, it will be more. Question number 71. A diesel engine as compared to petrol engine, both running rated load is option A more efficient, option B less efficient, option C equal efficient, option D unpredictable, option E other factors will decided it. So the correct answer is A is a more efficient. Question number 72. The size of inlet valve of an engine in comparison to exhaust valve is option A is a more, option B is a less, option C is the same, option D more or less depending on capacity of engine, option E is varies from design to design. So question number 72 correct answer is a B, it will be less. Question number 73. In a typical medium speed 4-stroke cycle diesel engine, option A, expansion starts at a 12 degree after top dead center and ends at a 35 degree before bottom dead center. Option B, expansion start at top dead center and ends just after bottom dead center. Option C, expansion start just before top dead center and ends just after bottom dead center. Option D, may start and end anywhere. Option E is none of the above. So correct answer is question number 73A is a expansion start at 20 degree after top dead center and ends at 35 before bottom dead center. Question number 74. In a cycle, the spark lasts. In a cycle, the spark lasts roughly for option A 1 second, option B 0.1 second, option C 0.01 second, option D 0.001 second, option E 0.0001 second. So the correct answer is a D. It will be 0.001 second. Question number 75. Which of the following is a false statement? Option. Okay, first you should have to listen the statement. Excessive quantities of sulfur in diesel fuel are objectionable because it may cause the following. Option A, piston ring and cylinder wear. Option B, formation of hard coating on piston skirts. Option C, oil sludge in the engine crankcase. Option D, detonations. Option E, forms corrosive acids. So correct answer is D, detonation. Question number 76. Which of the following is a false statement? First listen the statement. Some of the methods used to reduce diesel smoke are as follows. Option A, using additives in the fuels. Option B, engine deodating, it's that reducing the maximum flow of fuel. Option C, increasing the compression ratio. Option D, adherence to proper fuel specification. Option E, avoidance of overloading. So the correct answer is C, increasing the compression ratio. Question number 77. The fuel air ratio in a petrol engine fitted with a suction carburetor operating with directly air filter as compared to clean filter will be. Option A, higher. Option B, lower. Option C, remain unaffected. Option D, unpredictable. And option E, none of the above. So the correct answer is A, it will be higher. Question number 78. Pick up the wrong statement about supercharging. Option A, supercharging reduces knocking in diesel engines. Option B, there can be limited supercharging in petrol engines because of detonation. Option C, Supercharging at a high altitudes is essential. Option D. Supercharging results in a fuel economy. Option E. Supercharging is essential in aircraft engines. So the correct answer is D. Supercharging results in a fuel economy. Question number 79. The actual volume of fresh charge admitted in 4-stroke petrol engine is option A equal to stroke volume, option B equal to stroke volume and clearance volume, option C less than stroke volume, option D more than stroke volume, option E more than cylinder volume. So the correct answer is C, less than stroke volume. Question number 80. The magneto in an automobile is basically option A transformer, option B DC generator, option C is capacitor, option D magnetic circuit, option E AC generator. So the correct answer is B, it will be DC generator. Question 81. The reason for supercharging in any engine is to option A increase efficiency, option B increase power, option C reduce weight and bulk for a given output, option D effect fuel economy, option E none of the above. So correct answer is C, reduce weight and bulk for a given output. Question number 82. The operation of forcing additional air under pressure in the engine cylinder is known as option A scavenging, option B turbulence, option C supercharging, option D pre-ignition, option E dissociation and carburization of fuel. So correct answer is C, because it will be supercharging. Question number 83. Supercharging is essential in option A diesel engines, option B gas turbines, option C petrol engines, option D aircraft engines, option E marine engines. So correct answer is D, in aircraft engines. Question number 84. The minimum cranking speed. The minimum cranking speed in case of petrol engine is about option A half the operating speed, option B 1/4 of operating speed, option C 250 to 300 rpm, option D 60 to 80 rpm, and option E 10 to 20 rpm. Correct answer is D, 60 to 80 rpm. Question 85. In a typical medium speed 4-stroke cycle diesel engine, option A exhaust valve opens at 35 degrees before bottom dead center and closes at 20 degrees after top dead center, option B exhaust valve opens at bottom dead center and closes at top dead center, option C exhaust valve opens just after bottom dead center and closes just before top dead center, option D may open and close anywhere, option E none of the above is true. So correct answer is A, exhaust valve open at 35 degrees before bottom dead center and closes at 20 degrees after top dead center. Question number 86. Flash point of fuel oil is option A minimum temperature to which oil is heated in order to give off inflammable vapors in sufficient quantity to ignite momentarily when brought in a contact with a flame. Option B, temperature at which it solidifies or congels. Option C, temperature at which it catches fire without external aid. Option D, indicated by 90% distillation temperature. It's that when 90% of sample oil has distilled off. Option E, none of the above. So correct answer is A, minimum temperature to which oil is heated in order to give off inflammable vapors in sufficient quantity to ignite momentarily when brought in contact with a flame. Question number 87. The mean effective pressure obtained from engine indicator indicates the option A, maximum pressure developed, option B, minimum pressure, option C, instantaneous pressure at any instant, option D, exhaust pressure, option E, average pressure. So correct answer is E, it will be average pressure. Question number 88. For the same power developed in IC engines, the cheaper system is option A, naturally aspirated, option B, supercharged, option C, centrifugal pump, option D, turbocharger, option E, none of the above. Correct answer is B, supercharged. Question number 89. Installation of supercharger on a 4-cycle diesel engine can result in following percentage increases in power. Option A, up to 25%, option B, up to 35%, option C, up to 50%, option D, up to 75%, option E, up to 100%. So the correct answer is E, because it may be up to 100%. Question number 90. Scavenging is usually done to increase option A, thermal efficiency, option B, speed, option C, power output, option D, fuel consumption, option E, all of the above. Correct answer is C, it will be power output. Question number 91. Which of the following is the lightest and most volatile liquid fuel? Option A, diesel, option B, kerosene, option C, fuel oil, option D, gasoline, option E, lubricant oil. So the correct answer is D, it will be gasoline. Question number 92. The theoretically correct air-fuel ratio for petrol engine is of the order of option A, 6:1, option B, 9:1, option C, 12:1, option D, 15:1, option E, 20:1. So correct answer is D, is 15:1. Question number 93. Air-fuel ratio for idling speed of petrol engine is approximately option A, 1:1, option B, 5:1, option C, 10:1, option D, 15:1, option E, 20:1. So the correct answer is C, it will be 10:1. Question number 94. Air-fuel ratio at which a petrol engine can not work is option A, 8:1, option B, 10:1, option C 15:1, option D 20:1 and less, and option E will work at all ratios. So the correct answer is a D, is a 20:1 and less. Question number 95. For maximum power generation, the air-fuel ratio for a petrol engine for vehicles is the order of option A 9:1, option B 12:1, option C 15:1, option D 18:1, option E 20:1. So the correct answer is B. It will be 12:1. Question number 96. The following volume of air is required for consumption 1 liter of fuel by 4-stroke engine. So it's asking about volume of air required. Option A 1 meter cube, option B 2.5 meter cube, option C 5 to 6 meter cube, option D 9 to 10 meter cube, option E 15 to 18 meter cube. Correct answer is D, 9 to 10 meter cube. Question number 97. Pour point of fuel oil is the option A minimum temperature to which oil is heated in order to give off inflammable vapor in sufficient quantity to ignite momentarily when brought in a contact with a flame. Option B temperature at which it solidifies or congelates. Option C it catches fire without external aid. Option D indicated by 90% distillation temperature is that when 90% of sample oil has distilled off. Option E temperature at which it flow easily. Correct answer is B. Question number 97. Correct answer B, because temperature at which it is solidifies or congelates. Question number 98. A 5 bhp 5 brake horsepower engine running at full load would consume diesel of the order of option A 0.3 kg per hour, option B 1 kg per hour, option C 3 kg per hour, option D 5 kg per hour, option E 10 kg per hour. So the correct answer is a B. It will be 1 kg per hour. Question number 99. Diesel engine can work on very lean air fuel ratio of the order of 30:1. A petrol engine can also work on such a lean ratio provided option A it is a properly designed, option B best quality fuel is used, option C cannot work as it is impossible, option D flywheel size is a proper, option E engine cooling is stopped. Correct answer is C cannot work as it is impossible. Question number 100. The diesel engine has option A 1 valve, option B 2 valves, option B is 3 valves, so it will be C. So option C is 3 valves, option D is 4 valves, and option E is no valves. Correct answer is no valves.